Hey people, so this is that exactly 1 minute long video that I intend to do. So we've just got home uh, from Maritpalli, and here are my little rabbits. They have like so many things to eat, and I put fresh water and everything for them, and they are sitting in front of a cooler, like exactly whatever I enjoy. I like to give my rabbits also that benefit. So truly, like at the petrol pump today when I was filling petrol, as soon as my vehicle came in, the petrol attendant said, "Oh, give me one rabbit," whatever he said it in Telugu. So then I told him, "Give me your child, give me your son." So it's like, yeah, the fact is, keeping an animal is a commitment that I feel has to be honored far more than a commitment to another fellow human being, because animals, they are so innocent, yeah, so that's what these little souls are, sitting in front of the cooler, and they are my babies. So yeah, so this is one of these videos one does. So yeah, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.